Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to Surajit TV. Dive into the captivating world of anime with our curated collection of your favorite shows and discover new gems that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Whether you're a seasoned otaku or just starting your anime journey, we've got something for everyone. Explore a vast library of anime series and movies, neatly organized for your convenience. Our user-friendly interface makes it easy to find the perfect show for your mood. From action-packed adventures to heartwarming romances, we've got it all. Encountered a bug or have a suggestion to enhance your experience? We're here to help. DM us on Instagram at am_surajit___ with any issues or feedback. Your input is invaluable in making our website even better. Looking for code or technical support? Check out our dedicated code section on the website for troubleshooting and assistance. If you can't find what you need, feel free to reach out to us on Instagram, and we'll do our best to assist you. Thank you for being a part of the Your Surajit TV website community. Get ready for a fantastic anime watching experience. Happy streaming! Feel free to customize this text according to your website's specifics and add any additional information you find necessary. Absolutely, you can emphasize the importance of subscribing and following you on Instagram while also encouraging your audience to reach out for any coding-related issues. Here's a promotional script tailored to your hacking and web development channel. Hey coding enthusiasts! Welcome to the hub of hacking and web development excellence. If you're passionate about coding or eager to learn the tricks of the trade, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for exclusive tutorials, in-depth hacking insights, and cutting-edge web development content. Don't miss out on the latest updates. Hit that subscribe button now. Got a coding conundrum or facing a web development challenge? We've got your back. DM us for code assistance anytime. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, our community is here to support your coding journey. And hey, let's not forget Instagram. Follow us at am_surajit___ for behind-the-scenes, live coding sessions, and more. It's the perfect way to stay connected. Your coding adventure starts here. Subscribe, follow, and let's level up together. Don't let the code wait. Hit that subscribe button now. Thank you for being part of our coding community. Let's code, hack, and build amazing things together. This would be Stonat upgrade, please comment me, and it will also hosted, but some technical issues it is postponed soon I will again upload it. If any problem, don't forget DM me am_surajit____.